Hi guys, welcome back to Life with Peace YouTube channel, and today as you can see we have this 2015 Elite i20. Now this is my car. So I know it's very dirty right now. It's very dirty now. Now it is dirty on the purpose because I have to test a few waterless wash that I bought from local store. Well, that is for another video, but today I am going to discuss about the headlights of this car. Now these headlights are very bad. They are really bad. Now this is Magna, the Asta, which is the top end variant of this car. Do comes with projector headlights, but since it was out of budget, we bought the Magna. There are no alloy wheels in that. So now to sort out the problem of headlights, I am going for an upgrade. Now I have decided on LED lights. They are kind of whitish color, and the shopkeeper actually promised me around 30% more light than the standard bulb. Now let me show you the standard bulb. Now it is afternoon, so it won't be a right time to show how good or bad those lights really are. But yes, they are very bad. Those are some worst headlights which you will find on any car on sale today in India. These are just atrocious, man. The standard is an H4 bulb. The camera is picking up that well. Okay. So let's get them changed and see how well those new H4 LED performs. So guys, we are back in the parking, and this is how the car looks now. These are the LED lights. Let me get closer. So we have to wait for the night now, and in the meanwhile I bought that waterless wash, so I'm gonna try that. So there is a lot of dust. Let me shake it a bit. I'm going to do it for the bonnet first. Let's see if this thing works for me. The another thing is I recently got this car detailed, so I'm using it just to maintain the shine. So let me try. This way. Okay, it's a lot of dirt. The other side now. If it is really helping. Now we have to wipe off the extra. Well, it gives those marks. it does not make car that much shiny. So if possible, avoid this thing. It sucks. It's good for nothing. Okay guys, finally it is 6 p.m. and it is quite dark outside, so we are going to test those LED headlamps which I just got installed.